Okay, children, today you write down the topic. One to 50,000. Reading of 1 to 50,000 topographic map of Sri Lanka. Reading of 1 to 50,000 topographic map of Sri Lanka. You write down the topic. Reading of 1 to 50,000 topographic map of Sri Lanka. Put his stomach and write down various features on the Earth's surface. Earth's surface can be presented by maps. Various features on the Earth's surface can be presented by maps. This is example for 1 to 50,000 topographic maps. We discussed about them before this also. This is a part of 1 to 50,000 topographic map. This is a part of that map. This is not a full map machine. This is a part of 1 to 50,000 topographic maps. This one also a part of 1 to 50,000 topographic map. Information on a topographic map we can divide into two as information on the map face and peripheral information. You write down this one. 1 to 50,000 topographic maps information we can divide into two as information on the map face and peripheral information. What is the meaning peripheral? What is the meaning? Randeep, peripheral? Paryanta Toraturu kena. Information on the map face. In peripheral information. Map face again pita tiyana Toraturu. Peripheral information. Information on the map face we can divide into two as physical features, cultural features. You write down. Physical features and cultural features. Physical features and cultural features. 1 to 50,000 topographic maps. Information on the map face. Information on the map face, peripheral information. Information on the map face we can divide into two as physical features and cultural features. Physical features and cultural features. Peripheral information we can divide into two as upper margin of the outer border, upper margin of the outer border, lower margin of the outer border. You draw this one. Then you write down example for physical features. You write down example for physical features. You write down. You write down example for physical features. Then you write down example for cultural features. In grade 9 lesson, we discuss only these information. Information on the map face, physical features, cultural features, and have you finished?
Yes, madam.
Okay, these are the example for natural features. If you didn't write now, you write down landforms, rivers, forests, rock, grasslands. If you didn't write, now you write down. These are the man-made features. That's mean cultural features. The features made by man. Administrative boundaries, roads, railways, settlements, cultivated lands, government building. You write down.
Madam, roads කියද්දි සත්තු ගිහිල්ලා හැදුන පාරවලුත් අයිති වෙනව නේද?
No, here only man-made features. Man-made features. Cultural features means man-made features.
දැන් එතකොට අර මනුස්ස කියපු අඩිපාරවල්
Huh? මිනිස්සුගේ අඩිපාරවල්ද?
ඕ
Path also belong to cultural features. It belong to cultural features. Foot road.
Madam, productive rubber cultivation cultural feature.
Footpath අයිති වෙනවා. Yes. Do you have any question?
සොතන් natural features වලට seas අයිති වෙනව නේද?
Oh, seas. We can write down this side. Seas.
Coral reefs.
Coral reef. Yes. But we don't use a symbol for coral reef. We can't see coral reef on the surface of the land. They are located under the water, so we don't use a symbol for coral reef. But coral reef also natural feature.
Madam, man-made features වලට tank ලියන්න පුළුවන් නේද?
Tanks, yes. Tanks. Irrigation canals. We have to discuss about these natural features and man-made features one by one. Some of natural features we discuss about some of natural features we discuss in grade 8. මතකයිද? We discuss about the some of these natural features in grade 8. What are the natural features that we discuss in grade 8? Can you remember? What are the natural features that we discuss in grade 8? Can you remember? Mountain ranges. We discuss about the mountain ranges. Kandu වැටි ගැන අපි කතා කරා නේද? Mountain ranges. There are several tops in a mountain range. There are several tops.
Isolated hills.
Valleys,
Highland that separate in a narrow elongated shape is called as mountain range. There may be several peaks in a mountain range. Okay, then we discuss about this one also example for mountain range, not Sri Lanka. This mountain range Rocky. Okay, then we discuss about the what is the relief feature that you told?
Isolated hill.
Isolated hill. Conical hill. Isolated hill. That hill is located isolatedly. Can you understand? Then conical hill, here shape. Conical hill, a small highland that take a shape of a cone. Cone in a flatland is called a conical hill. Can you understand it? We discuss about these to also conical. Can you understand the difference between conical hill and isolated hill? Can you understand about the conical hill and isolated hill, difference between these two? Isolated hill is located isolatedly. හුදකලාව මේ විදිහට කන්දක් පිටලා තියෙන එක isolated hill. But a small highland, the small highland that take a shape of a cone in a flat land, it is called conical hill. හුදකලා කන්ද කෝණයක shape එකකට කෝණාකාර shape එකකට තියෙනම් it is called as conical hill. හුදකලාව මේ පිහිටලා තියෙන කන්දේ shape එක කෝණාකාර වුණොත් තමයි ඒකට අපි conical hill එකක් කියලා කියන්නේ. මේ shape එක කෝණයක හැඩය නෙවෙයි නම් අපිට ඒක isolated hill එකක් කියලා කියන්න පුළුවන්. Then we discuss about the valleys. Can you remember? Valley and spur. We discuss about the valley and spur. Valley and spur also. What is the valley?
Lowland located between two highlands.
Valley, yes. Lowland located between two highlands. How can I identify the valley in a topography map? How can I identify the valley in a topographic map? What is the special feature? Valley is lowland area between two highlands. It is current when contour lines extend pointing towards the highland. Here look at contour lines extend pointing towards the highland. This side highland. This side highland. Contour lines pointing towards the highland. It is called valley. It is the feature of valley. Can you understand? When the contour lines extend pointing towards the highland in a map, the valley can be identified. Can you understand?
Yes, madam.
Okay. You should know about this feature. You have to identify this feature. These contour lines bend towards the highland. You can see according to this picture. These contour lines bend towards the highland. So this is valley. Then here feature, its opposite side. It's opposite thing. Contour lines bend towards the lowland. This side lowland. Contour lines bend towards the lowland. So this one is called as valley. We can identify the valley in a topographic map according to this feature. Contour lines bend towards the lowland. Towards the lowland. A part of highland which protrudes towards the lowland is known as spur. පහත් බිම දෙසට උස් ප්‍රදේශයක් නෙරලා තියෙන අවස්ථාවක්. වැලි කිව්වේ පහත් බිම් ප්‍රදේශයක් උස් බිම් දෙකක් අතර. We discuss about the difference between spur and valley also in grade 8 lesson. Then we discuss about the gap. What is the gap? What is the gap?
Lowland area between two highlands.
Yes. The low level opening located in highland or among the peaks of mountain is known as gap. Lowland opening එකක් තියෙනවා. Mountain between two mountain ranges. Here between two mountain range, here gap. Here mountain. Mountain range or between two tops. Tops දෙකක් අතර mountain range දෙකක් අතර තියෙන මේ පහත් ප්‍රදේශය තමයි gap එකක් කියලා කිව්වේ. Here gap. We discuss about these features, these relief features in grade 8. Only these are. ඔටිය තමයි අපි grade 8 වලදී කතා කරේ mountain range, conical hill, spur, valley, gaps. Okay. We discuss about these physical features. As well as we discuss about the various type of cultural features also in grade 8 lesson. What are the cultural features that you learn in grade 8? Administrative boundaries, main road, railway lines, tanks and irrigation canal. Tanks and irrigation canal. You learn about these things. Tanks and irrigation. Here tanks, here irrigation canal. This one is called as tank bund. You learn about them in grade 8. As well as you learn about the railway station, railway halt. You learn the difference between railway station and railway halt. Okay, then other cultural features and physical features we have to learn. Then peripheral information. Upper margin of the outer border. Outer border එකේ ඉහළ තියෙන තොරතුරු වර්ග මොනවාද? What are the type of information? Upper margin of the outer border. These are the areas. Here, upper margin of the outer border. What are the information that should be that can be seen? Type of map. Here, type of map. This place A, type of map. Here B, name of the map. Type of map, name of the map, number of the map. Okay, you write down here. Here you write down type of map. Type of map. Name of map. Now you write down name of map. Name of map. Number of the map. Number of the map. Type of the map. Name of the map, number of the map. Sri Lanka, type of the maps here, Sri Lanka 1 to 50,000. Map here, name of the map, that's mean Kandy, Kurunegala, Colombo map here, map sheet number 62, 42. It may, according to the name here, number should be right. Name of type of the map, name of the map, type of the map, name of the map, number of the map. Number of the map. Then here, lower margin of the outer border. Here upper margin, here lower margin. Lower margin of the outer border. What are the information should be mentioned here? Scale. You write down. Scale. Scale. Direction. You write down. Direction. Scale. Direction. Figure showing the adjacent maps. Figure showing the adjacent map. Figure showing the adjacent map. Figure showing the adjacent maps. Figure showing the administrative boundaries. Figure showing the administrative boundaries. Then key. You write down next on key. Key. Key.
Madam, figure showing the administrative boundaries.
Figure showing the administrative boundaries. Administrative boundaries. Then key. Here, key.
Thank you, madam.
Various symbols for cultural features and natural features. Here it is called as key. Okay, before we learn about the other cultural features and other relief features, we have to identify the, we have to do the activity. We have to do the activity in page number 684. 84. 1 to 50,000 topographic map of Sri Lanka. You have studied the scale size of the topography map as well as selected physical and cultural features presented in a topographic map. In a topographic map in grade 8, 92 map sheets have been prepared to the scale of 1 to 50,000 to show the topographic features of Sri Lanka. The key that consists of conventional signs and symbols shown in the lower margin of the outer border of the map sheets can be used to read the physical and cultural features presented in these topographical maps. These here we discuss about these information, peripheral information. The key that consists of conventional signs and symbols show the lower margin. Lower margin symbols show the lower margin of the outer border. පල්ලෙහා border එකේ පිට border එකේ පහළ දක්වලා තියෙන තොරතුරු. The key that consists of conventional signs and symbols shown in the lower margin of the outer border of the maps map sheet can be used to read physical and cultural features represented in these topographic maps. එතකොට අපිට පුතේ සිතියම කියවන්න මේ සිතියමේ දක්වලා තියෙන මේ lower margin of the outer border මෙන්න මෙතන දක්වලා තියෙන තොරතුරු අපිට ඉතා ප්‍රයෝජනවත් වෙනවා සිතියම කියවන්න. Identifying the conventional signs and symbols shown in the lower margin of the outer border using 1 to 50,000 topographic maps found in your school also. You can see this type of maps in your school library. School library එකේ තියෙන මේ වගේ map. Now you can observe these map through internet also. Topographic features can be easily identified by understanding the distribution of contour lines. We can understand about the topographic features. Topographic features. These are called as topographic features. We can understand about the topographic features according to the distribution of contour lines. මේ contour lines අනුව මේවා ව්‍යාප්තිය අනුව අපිට මේ topographical features හරියටම හඳුනා ගන්න පුළුවන්. Okay children, now you do the activity. In your page number 48. Look at all the things built on page number 84. All the things built on the physical environment by the intervention of man are called cultural features. In page number 86, study the key shown in figure 5.1 well, and after studying map 5.1, name the physical and cultural features used from 1 to 20 according to the numbers respectively. Now you have to identify the cultural features and physical features of this map part. Look at the page number 84. You can see.
Madam,
Yes.
ඊයේ ක්ලාස් එක ඉවර වෙන්නේ?
Okay, now you do this one. Now you do this activity.